Hi, I'm the Introverted Affiliate, and in this video I will show you how long it took me to get my first sale on Redbubble with a new shop I started this year in January. I created my second Redbubble shop on January 17th this year because I wanted to have a general shop where I could upload whatever artwork I felt like making. My first shop had been all pet animal designs, and I lost interest in that very quickly. It has been a real struggle for me to stay interested in print on demand because I put hours of time into my designs and so far have seen almost zero results. I was a computer animation student in college and I was planning on becoming a digital artist. I took several art classes while in school and I won a few awards, so I thought I was somewhat skilled at art, but still I got almost zero sales from any of the artwork I posted so far. This is most likely because I was too lazy to make enough designs for people to actually find, which is possible because there are so many millions of other designs already on Redbubble. Even as an art student, it has been hard for me to get sales. I think the hardest part about Redbubble is thinking of design ideas, because each time I think of an idea, it seems like other sellers already have done it, and this was the case with my first design that sold. I think mine was able to sell because I made a dinosaur design, and if you search for dinosaur on Redbubble, you get over 100,000 results. That is a lot of competition. What I did was I chose to target specific dinosaurs, which narrowed down the search results a lot, making the chances of getting featured on the first page much better. If you search for the dinosaur Parasaurolophus, for example, you get around 986 results. That dinosaur is not nearly as popular as Tyrannosaurus, which has over 24,000 results. There are over 700 species of dinosaurs, so I tried to choose some that were popular but at the same time did not have a ton of competition already. So from the time I started my new shop on January 17th this year, it took me until March 3rd to get my first sale, which is about 2.5 months. I did not do anything to promote my design, and I only had 8 tags for the listing. My first sale was a sticker of a dinosaur. I would guess it took me about an hour or so to make this design, and I had my margin set at 20%, so I only made 22 cents from this sale. What I've learned so far about Redbubble is it takes a lot of time, research, and effort. When I first started, I thought getting paid to draw on the computer was going to be really fun and easy, but that has not been my experience so far. The reality is most of my designs were failures and I got nothing for them. Your success will depend on your skill level and motivation to keep learning and designing. I think it is mostly a numbers game, and the more designs you make, the higher chances you will have of getting on the first page of results. I only created 7 designs, and it took me about 10 weeks to finally get a sale. Your results might be better if you make more designs than I did, and my advice is do some research before making your designs so you can have a good chance of making things people will find and buy. Thanks for watching.